All right, so let's look at how to edit pics like this with frequency separation. Okay, so you can just start using all the normal tools in fixing a lot of blemishes like this and rough skin. There are some complicated ones that have rashes all over their body, so you can be fixing the rashes one by one. The trick here is to choose the blur value, a very low blur value. So let's duplicate the layer, Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Let's just duplicate it twice because I want to, compare later on. So we have color, same thing here, texture, texture. Okay, I'm going to turn off this one, select the color layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. This is just the same. Now, how do you choose the right one for this one? Just choose where the pimple is and then increase. Once you start having something like this, 2, like I said, 2, let's just go with 2.5. Make sure the pimples are still showing like this. The pimples are still showing, so you can also sample other areas, make sure it's showing the roughness, and you can click OK and then select the texture layer, turn it on, go to image, apply image, and under merge select color, under blending mode select subtract, and it's okay. So now change the from normal, change the blending mode to linear light. So let's see, we're going to test it first. Select the mixer tool brush and select the color layer. Once you start blending and the pimples and the rest start removing, know that you chose the right blur value. So something like this. So you can see that as I'm blending, the pimples are more likely to be let's keep on blending. They are still there. So I can come here with the texture, come here with the clone stamp tool and start using Alt, clicking. Quite alright, it's going to give you the result, but it's not going to be as clean as using another low blur value. So we still have some roughness in the skin. So I'm just going to delete those two, 1, 2, and we start again. So Ctrl J twice, name this color, name this texture, hit enter, and I'll turn it off. Select the color, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We chose 2.5 the last time. I'm going to reduce it, so let's reduce it to something like 2. I'm just going to use 2 instead of 2.5. It's okay. Sometimes you even take it below. Let's take it to 1.9. It's okay. Select the texture layer, turn it on, and then go to image, apply image, and now color. Under this way, select color, under blending mode select subtract. It's okay. So we have just this low texture, good. And now you're going to go ahead and change the blending mode to linear light. So select the color layer and select the mixer tool brush and blend. So once you start, you can see now this is the good one because I just removed that. So once you start blending and those pimples are going with, that means that's the blur value there. You can even take it lower and make the skin more smooth. So I'm just going to quickly make it bigger and remove all of that as fast as we can. So that's the trick there. The color layer is going to help you remove more of the blemishes. Sometimes the difference is not too big, sometimes it is. So you just have to keep trying and keep trying, and that's the trick. So I'm just going to blend, and let's say we're done with that. With the color blending, please, you're going to do color correction. I didn't do color correction, and that's why you see the picture is still looking awkward. Okay, so blend like that. So let's say we are through blending. Of course we are not through. I'm just going to leave it. Select the texture layer, select the clone stamp tool and make it smaller so we have lesser pimples to work with. Hold down Alt, select an area and just keep fixing. Hold down Alt, select somewhere here, fix. Hold down Alt, fix. You can even draw, yep, like that. So quickly fix and fix, and fix. So the trick, what I want to teach you here is, when you have a very rough skin and more pronounced texture that are everywhere, use a low blur value to remove all of that. And so here we go. You can see how fast I'm just clicking, selecting areas and fixing the rest part. So you can make the image more blurry and then add artificial texture. So I'm just going to show you some videos on how to add artificial textures. Let's say we're done. Select this. So that's just the idea. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Select the color, mixer to brush, and you blend. You never stop blending. Blend your image. So at the end of the day, when you are done, it's gonna look like this. Make it big, and I'm just gonna quickly okay. For the sake of this one, I'm just showing you all about texture and blending of colors. So there is more to this. Okay, it's not just fixing of colors to make it look very professional. There's other things you just need to do. Okay, so after this one, I'm gonna group the two together and let's see our before. So these are before and then this is our after. These are before and then this is our after. Okay guys, thank you.